You're chilling on the couch, you know you should get up, but too much effort. Congratulations, you just experienced inertia. In science, inertia is the tendency of things to keep doing what they're already doing. If something is still, it stays still. If something is moving, it keeps moving, unless something forces it to stop or change. That soccer ball, it won't move until you kick it, and once it's rolling, it won't stop until something, like friction, gravity, or a wall, gets in its way. That's inertia in action. In space, there's almost no friction, so if an astronaut pushes off, they'll just float forever. No brakes, no stopping, pure inertia. Sir Isaac Newton called this the first law of motion. An object in motion stays in motion. An object at rest stays at rest, unless acted on by a force. That feeling when a car suddenly stops and your body lurches forward, that's inertia. Your body wants to keep moving even when the car doesn't. So next time you're too lazy to get up, tell your parents, I'm not lazy, it's physics, it's inertia. You're just following the laws of the universe, seriously. Like science that actually makes sense? Hit that subscribe button and spark your brain every week, only on EduSpark.